Hi there, I'm going to tell you a bit about a device which is known as a personal cooling assistant. And this one's been produced by an American company called Compcooler. That's C-O-M-C Cooler. And at the back of the wheelchair, you'll see it strapped on behind me. So on the wheelchair, it's actually attached by 4 clips, and I got my wheelchair supplier to provide it for me. It's quite important, this bit, because there's a power cable coming out on the left-hand side of the device itself. It's a small refrigeration unit, essentially, that needs to run up 12 volts. And most power chairs are 24 volts with the 2 batteries, so you'll need to get your telephone, your wheelchair engineer, to fit in a transformer device to give you the 12 volts, and that lead comes in to the system here. Then there's another cable which allows the water to flow around. So what that refrigeration unit does is lower the temperature of the water in one of the 2 tubes, and then the other tube brings the water back from the cooling vest. So bring the system up to the tube that goes into my vest, please, and you'll see that the vest itself is behind me. So when I put my shirt on in the morning, my support worker, when she leans me forward, puts the vest folded in half, so it's like a waistcoat, in behind me. There were some nasty clips on it that I got a couple of small sore areas from, not pressure sores, but I just chopped those off because I'm always going to wear it personally and on my back rather than as a waistcoat. So you could wear it as a waistcoat if you want. It's got a very thin zigzag of plastic tubing. I've never had a pressure sore from it. I've been using it for 2 weeks now. It's been amazing during this hot weather. So that's how the system works. I'll post a link to another video you can watch, or you can search for it on YouTube and you'll find a video of someone explaining it much more better than me and the technical side. So then if you go back to where the other leads came out, there's also this device here, which is the brains, if you like, the bit you control it with. And you can see that my back at the moment is at 20 degrees. So that measures the current temperature of your back. I'll try and press it, but I might have my support worker hand come in and press the up button. No, top one. That gives another flashing temperature, which is 10 degrees. So what 10 degrees is the target that the air conditioner is trying to get to. So it's currently 20. Outside at the moment, it's moving towards 33 degrees today. I found that 10's a good temperature for me. And then to get the thing going, and just be warned, it is quite noisy, but you can press that button and gradually the temperature will start. So this is the on-off button. 1 click and you get that flashing light going around. That's really important to know that then it kicks into action. You can hear probably in the background how noisy it is, and I've got to raise my voice. So you'll see the temperature's gone up slightly. That's just because my body's warming up. It's gone up now to 24 degrees. It will start going down the other way in a moment or two. That's only because I've only just put it in. There we go. It's dropped down to 23 as we cool, and it'll take about 22. It'll take about 5 to 10 minutes to hit the target temperature, but I won't bore you with that. But I can already, just at the base of my neck, feel the coolness coming through, and it is incredible that within a couple of minutes you've got a very cool back. To turn it off, you press the same button again, which my support worker is doing now, There you see the flashing light stop. The motor's still going because it has to finish its cycle before it will stop, to avoid the liquid in the cooling device from freezing, which is quite important. And I'm sure you'll get as much benefit as I have. The only thing you need to make sure of is that when you're using it, you fit it the right way around. When I first fitted it, I had it sort of sideways. And you'll know that if you buy a fridge and lay it on its side, apart from the milk spilling out and going everywhere, is that the fridge won't work properly. Yeah, if you move house, you have to have the fridge standing up for 24 hours before you use it to make sure the coolant's in the right place. That's the same with this. You have to provide your own coolant. Just need a little bit of water, deionized water, and antifreeze, but all that's in the instruction leaflet, which I'll let you have a link for down below. There you go. So one last look at the machine itself. I'll just show you how I managed to turn it on. I'm a bit more clumsy. I've got a good pair of teeth like all of us. I just check, see if I've got a flashing light or not, and I haven't. So there, I've got the flashing light again. Helen can draw in on that. See the flashing light? It started up again behind me, go behind. And you can see it behind me, just doesn't take up too much room. It's not exclusive. So the main people who use it are motorcyclists, generally in America. They're cycling along Death Valley or somewhere like that, where they have some incredibly high temperatures. And racing car drivers, Formula One, and all the other racing car drivers to keep cool in their cockpits in really hot weather with all that gear on that they have. So any more information you want, search for it on YouTube and you'll find out more. Good luck.